Today we're going to show how to wire up the Astoria unit with utilizing the accessory package wiring kit. As you'll see, it's already pre-done with the fork connections and the loop connection for your ground wire. At the Astoria, we can bring the wire from either side here, but there is a connection point down here where we can add a Romex connector or utilize the connections in the accessory package that comes with the Astoria. Coming up here, we'll loop the wire up through here and connect to the 1, 2, 3. This is the power from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit, which includes our communication, where 1 and 2 are power, 2 and 3 are communication. So here we have our wiring block for our Astoria high wall unit. You'll see that it is marked 1, 2, and 3, where 1 and 2 are our power wire and 2 or 3 are our communication wire. This power, the source, is from the outdoor unit. So in this case here, let's hope that outside is 1 is a black wire, 2 is a white wire, and 3 is a red wire. We got to make sure that they match up 1, 2, and 3. Don't go just from left to right. Make sure you're looking at the actual numbers 1, 2, and 3. And then you'll see here, using the accessory wiring kit that we have a ground wire that comes with it, and we have a ground lug here off to the side. So when we're wiring up the unit, and we can have a couple of different wires coming through here. You'll see we got a clamp here for the power wire and another smaller wire for a potential thermostat if you're using for that application. Or we can bring this up here, move a couple of the wires, and then make sure that whatever you're hooked up to outside matches the inside. So if you're using the black wire on 1 on the outdoor unit, make sure we're using the black wire on 1 on the indoor unit. Doesn't matter the colors you use as long as 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and 3 is 3. So I'm going to use black on 1 here, white on 2, and red on 3. And you'll see that I got a little ground connection here. It'll be a green screw. Take that, put that through the loop to give myself my ground connection. And just like that, I've wired up the indoor unit utilizing the 1, 2, 3 and ground. Now we're going to show how to connect the Wi-Fi kit. The Astoria high wall does come with the Wi-Fi dongle as a separate accessory. So we're going to show you the simple process of installing this dongle on the Astoria high wall. First thing we'll need to do is on the front here, after we lift up the lid and engage the kickstand, you'll see, so we can work easily through this. There's a single screw here. This slides out, and you'll notice a blank space here, and then there's a USB connection. In the box, we'll take out the USB dongle. Notice it does come with a lid. Take the cap off, and we're going to put it with the Cooper&Hunter logo in the upright position, and then just reinstall. And we've just installed our Wi-Fi kit. We're going to show how to hook up the 120N thermostat now to our Astoria high wall. Now the 120N is an accessory that needs to be purchased separately when using with the Astoria. But when you buy the 120N, it comes with all the wiring that we need, including an extension cable and the wiring adapter. As you'll see, here's a 4-wire adapter that connects to the display board on the Astoria unit. So again, take off that single screw, slide that over, and then you'll see here we got 4 terminals. I suggest moving this over here so we can follow the numbering on these terminals. As you'll see, it's marked 12 volt, 5 volt is a red wire, E is the brown wire, Y is the yellow wire, and X is the white wire. The way the wiring works here on the actual control board is E, 12 5 volts, X, and Y. So make sure that you follow the color coding from here as you put the wires on the control board itself. So as we wire here, please remember on the sticker here is showing you the color coding for which wire goes where. So we'll start with E, that's the first terminal, and that's the brown wire. So I'll go ahead and put the brown wire in. The next terminal is the 12 volt, 5 volt, which is the red wire. Next terminal is X, which is the white wire. And finally, Y is the yellow wire, and it'll be on the last terminal here. After we finish the wiring, then we can run the wire through our chase here. Let's see, we have a couple places here to connect it, come out the side, and then we can reinstall right here our display board back on the panel.